So I was struggling a lot with a lot of lag in Adobe After Effects, and this video I'm going to show you how to fix this. So what you got to do is just to head over to Edit and then Preferences, and then here select Display First. That's the first method. Now here, make sure you disable Hardware Acceleration, Composition Layer, or Footage Panels. Make sure you disable this. For me, it was checked. I had this box checked, and you have to disable it. I also disabled it, and I restarted. But I don't restart right now. After I show the second method and the third method, uncheck this, and then you should see a big difference. So uncheck this, and the big difference depends now on other factors. I can't guarantee you anything, but now after you uncheck this, also go to previews, and also here select faster. This was for me, I had it on more accurate and more accurate, but make sure you set to faster and faster. Please do that, and then click on OK. And the next method is actually to click on graphics settings, right? This in the search bar, and here make sure you add Adobe After Effects, and here you set to high performance. That's what you have to do. So I really hope you found this helpful, and also, by the way, also for display, I think it's called what it's called. Okay, so I found the change aspect. What? Perform, yeah, okay, adjust the appearance, and you can also turn this, click on custom, and only enable show timeliness instead of icons and smooth edges of screen iframes. These are small stuff. I don't know if you'll see some results, but I think it can help, because now there's less animations to be processed in the background, so there's absolutely now should be there an increase in performance. I'm pretty sure, because now there's less animations. If you turn off all of this, leave only this two, you can even turn off all of them, uncheck all the boxes. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.